5 signs you need new friends. One of the most valuable lessons you have to learn in life is when to let go of unhealthy friendships and relationships that aren't serving you anymore. Once you get that straight, your life will improve a lot, and so will the quality of your connections to others. The friends you choose to associate yourself with have a far-reaching effect on your growth in life. Welcome back to Think Mad. In this video, we will talk about 5 signs you need new friends. Before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can get more amazing videos. Here we go. Number 5. You're winning, but they're not clapping. The late Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "In the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends." Everyone knows what it's like to have skeptics, haters, and naysayers in their life, but that's not what we are talking about here. We're talking about people who often claim to care about you, but when you do score that win, when you get in shape, land the dream job, and achieve the aim you've set for yourself, these people become unhappy, standing there with their arms folded and not clapping. If they can get away with it, they may try to destroy whatever it is you've accomplished. That's not friendship. It's toxic behavior, and you're better off saying no to it. Get yourself a new friend, not just new but a good friend. A friend that would celebrate your success. Number 4. It's always about them. Imagine coming back from a 2-year traveling odyssey around Europe, and when you return home, your friends are not desperate to know about the adventure. They become uninterested and would rather talk about their day at work. Don't get this wrong. It is okay to be interested in their story and what they've been up to. But how about their interest in what you have been up to? How much interest do your friends have in your life? This is a telling sign about how much they care about you and love you. Have you ever been excited over a new car, job, or partner? Desperate to celebrate the joy with your friend, only for it to get brushed under the carpet? If this is your situation, you deserve to make new and good friends. Don't take it hard. It means your friends aren't so invested in you. They are only invested in themselves. Say no to all take and no give. Number 3. You feel drained after spending time with them. A quote by Alice Walker: "No person is your friend who demands your silence or denies your right to grow." Some friends give negative energy and would drain your growth. You could be optimistic about something, and when you share your ideas with them, they are quick to make you see why your ideas won't work out. They often see impossibilities in very good ideas. These types of friends are not good for you. If you have a friend that makes you angry each time you bond with them, make sure you go away with them. Some friends are not just okay for your mental health. They are the reason you complain, the reason you perform low, stressed, and confused. Not because that is who you are, but because they have drained your energy to the extent of influencing who you are. Number 2. When your friends don't like you for you. A quote by Walter Winchell says, "A real friend is one who walks in when the rest of the world walks out." Everyone's familiar with how it feels to be taken for granted. At times, even the best people get a small wrapped up in their lives and neglect to give back to the extent that they ought to. However, there's a huge difference between a good friend that is temporarily a little self-absorbed, because they have many things going on, and one that wants your relationship to be one-sided because they don't care that much about you. Some friends don't like you for who you are. They complain you are too tall, too short, too fat, or too slim. They never see the good in you. They complain and mock you for your physical and personality traits, and forget you didn't create yourself. These are the kind of friends you should do away with. Unhealthy friends don't worth the effort. Some see you as a vital resource to secure in their back pocket just in case. Well, if you have friends like this, you likely already know what to do. Number 1. Your friends aren't where you want to be in life. Thomas J. Watson once said, "Don't make friends who are comfortable to be with. Make friends who will force you to lever yourself up." This quote makes so much sense. For better or worse, you are whom you hang with. When making new friends, make sure you gravitate toward people that occupy the same social niches as you do, especially professionally, the people with similar incomes, like goals and career paths. It can also imply subconsciously deciding not to progress in life, unless your existing close friends are already on the same track. When your friends offer you career advice, is it halfway decent? Also, are their lives good examples of the kind of life you'd like to be living? Are your friends going places, or are they on the path to nowhere? Well, if you don't like the answers to these questions, it is time to rethink those friendships. That's it from today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your comments and valuable feedback would also be appreciated. Kindly ensure you check out our channel Think Mad for other great videos like this. Bye, and see you soon.